Hello everyone, today I came back with another topic that is in gastrointestinal pathology. So, gastric cancer. So, it is most commonly known as gastric adenocarcinoma and GI lymphoma, GI stromal tumor. In rare cases, it is called carcinoid. So, how it occurs firstly? It in early stages, it aggressive, locally spread with nodal or liver metastasis, and how it will be presented. It presents with weight loss, abdominal pain, early satiety, and in some cases, acanthosis nigricans or less Trellat sign. It is commonly associated with blood type A type of blood group. It is commonly associated. So, in this, there are two types. First one is intestinal and second is diffuse. It's a intestinal type. It is associated with H. pylori, dietary nitrosamines, that is in smoked foods, tobacco smoking, and achlorohydria chronic gastritis. It is commonly on lesser curvature. It looks like ulcer with raised margins. So in intestinal type, it is associated with H. pylori, Helicobacter pylori, dietary nitrosamines, that is in smoked foods, tobacco smoking, achlorohydria, and chronic gastritis. So it is commonly occurs in lesser curvature and looks like ulcer with raised margins. So in diffuse type, it is not associated with H. pylori, signet ring cells, that is mucin filled with peripheral nuclei. That is in stomach wall, it is grossly thickened and a leathery type, that is Linitis plastica. So in this four important points are there, that is Virchow node, Krukenberg tumor, Sister Mary Joseph nodule, and Blummer shelf. So in Virchow node, it involvement of left supraclavicular node by metastasis from the stomach. Virchow node means it is involvement of left supraclavicular node by metastasis from stomach. Then what is Krukenberg tumor? Bilateral metastasis to ovaries. That is, ovaries are affected bilaterally. So in this, abundant mucin secreting signet ring cells are there. So next one is Sister Mary Joseph nodule. In this, subcutaneous periumbilical metastasis is seen. And next one is Blummer shelf, that is in palpable mass on digital rectal examination suggesting metastasis, and also in pouch of Douglas. So last is the Blummer shelf, palpable mass on digital rectal exam suggesting metastasis to the pouch of Douglas. So on the whole, gastric carcinoma is the most common gastric adenocarcinoma, early aggressive, locally spread with node or liver metastasis, present with weight loss, abdominal pain, early satiety. In some cases, acanthosis nigricans or less Trellat sign. It is associated with blood type A. And in the intestinal type, it is associated with H. pylori, dietary nitrosamines, tobacco smoking, achlorohydria, chronic gastritis. It is commonly seen on luster curvature and it looks like ulcer with raised margins. In diffuse type, it is not associated with H. pylori, signet ring cells are present, and it is a mucin filled with peripheral nuclei. Common stomach wall grossly thickened and leathery. It is Linitis plastica. And these 4 points are there: Virchow node, Krukenberg tumor, Sister Mary Joseph nodule, and Blummer shelf. What is Virchow node? It is involvement of left supraclavicular node by metastasis from the stomach. Krukenberg tumor means it is a bilateral metastasis to the ovaries. It is abundant in mucin secreting signet ring cell carcinoma. So Sister Mary Joseph nodule, it is a subcutaneous periumbilical metastasis, and a Blummer shelf, palpable mass on digital rectal exam suggesting metastasis to the pouch of Douglas. So thank you for watching this video. I will come back with another topic in the gastrointestinal pathology.